Imagine a closet brimming with clothes you love, each piece carefully chosen to reflect your unique style and personality. These are pieces that effortlessly transition from season to season, adapting to the changing weather and your evolving fashion sense. This is the beauty of a seasonless wardrobe. No more frantic seasonal overhauls or feeling overwhelmed by fleeting trends. Instead, you have a collection that remains relevant and stylish all year round. A seasonless wardrobe simplifies your life. It saves you time, money, and space. Imagine the ease of getting dressed each morning, knowing that every item in your closet works together seamlessly. By investing in versatile, high-quality items, you create a curated collection of clothes that reflect your personal style. These pieces are not just fashionable but also durable, standing the test of time. This approach embraces sustainable living. You buy less and choose quality over quantity, reducing waste and promoting a more eco-friendly lifestyle. This conscious consumption benefits both your wallet and the environment. You spend less on frequent purchases and more on items that truly matter. Say goodbye to the stress of seasonal shopping and hello to a streamlined wardrobe that works for you year-round. Enjoy the freedom of a closet that is always in season. Let's embark on this journey to effortless style together. Embrace the seasonless wardrobe and discover the joy of a simpler, more sustainable approach to fashion. Before building your seasonless wardrobe, take stock of what you already own. Decluttering is the first step to creating a more mindful and functional closet. Start by trying everything on. Be honest with yourself. Does it fit well? Do you feel good in it? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. Donate, sell, or responsibly discard items that no longer serve you. As you create space in your closet, you create space for what truly matters. Remember, decluttering is not about deprivation. It's about making room for the pieces you love and that make you feel your best. With a clearer picture of your wardrobe, you can start building your seasonless foundation. Begin with versatile basics in neutral colors: black, white, navy, gray, and beige. Think classic t-shirts, tank tops, and turtlenecks. A well-fitted pair of jeans, black trousers, and a classic skirt are essential. Choose fabrics that are comfortable and breathable year-round, like cotton, linen, silk, and merino wool. These fabrics are durable and can be dressed up or down. Invest in a few high-quality pieces that will stand the test of time. These timeless essentials will form the backbone of your seasonless wardrobe. Building a seasonless wardrobe on a budget is about making mindful purchases. Shop less often and invest in quality over quantity. Look for sales and discounts on your favorite brands. Explore online consignment shops and thrift stores for hidden gems at a fraction of the price. Before you buy, ask yourself, do I love it? Will I wear it often? Does it fit into my current wardrobe? Avoid impulse buys and only purchase items that truly spark joy. Remember, patience is key. Building a timeless wardrobe takes time and careful consideration. Section 5. The Art of Layering. Adapting to any weather. Mastering the art of layering is essential for creating a versatile wardrobe that can handle any season or weather condition. Layering is the secret to a functional and stylish seasonless wardrobe. It's not just about piling on clothes, it's about strategically combining pieces to create a cohesive and adaptable look. It allows you to adapt your outfits to any weather condition, whether it's a sudden drop in temperature or an unexpected warm spell. With the right layers, you can easily transition from a chilly morning to a warm afternoon. Start with a base layer like a tank top or t-shirt. This foundational piece should be comfortable and breathable, setting the stage for the rest of your outfit. Add warmth with sweaters, cardigans, or blazers. These mid-layers provide insulation and can be easily added or removed as needed. For colder days, layer a jacket or coat on top. This outer layer is crucial for protecting against the elements and can also serve as a stylish statement piece. Play with textures and fabrics to add visual interest to your outfits. Mixing materials like wool, cotton, and silk can create a dynamic and visually appealing look. Combine a chunky knit sweater with a silk camisole. This contrast not only adds depth to your outfit but also balances warmth and elegance. Or a denim jacket with a flowy dress. This combination is perfect for a casual yet chic look that can be worn in various settings. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with layering. Try different combinations and see what works best for you. The possibilities are endless. It's a great way to add personality and style to your outfits while staying comfortable all year round. With layering, you can express your unique fashion sense and be prepared for any weather, making it a win-win strategy for your wardrobe. Section 6. Accessorize your way to a unique you. Accessories are the finishing touch to any outfit, adding personality and style. They can transform a simple outfit into something special. Invest in a few statement pieces like scarves, jewelry, hats, and belts. These accessories can instantly elevate your look and add a pop of color or texture. Don't underestimate the power of shoes. A great pair of boots, loafers, or sneakers can complete your outfit. Choose accessories that reflect your personal style and make you feel confident. With a little creativity, you can use accessories to create countless looks with the same basic pieces. Section 7. Sustainable style. Caring for your timeless pieces. Building a seasonless wardrobe is an investment. Taking care of your clothes will help them last longer and reduce your environmental impact. Follow the care instructions on the garment's label. Wash your clothes in cold water and air dry them whenever possible to save energy and prevent damage. Learn basic mending skills like sewing on buttons. Learn basic mending skills like repairing small tears. This will extend the lifespan of your clothes and save you money in the long run. By caring for your clothes, you're not only preserving your investment, but also embracing a more sustainable approach to fashion. Section 8. The Budget-Friendly Fashionista's Guide to Sales and Deals. Building a seasonless wardrobe on a budget is about being a savvy shopper. Take advantage of sales and discounts throughout the year. Sign up for email lists and follow your favorite brands on social media to stay informed about upcoming promotions. Shop end-of-season clearance sales for deep discounts on timeless pieces. Explore online consignment shops and thrift stores for hidden gems at affordable prices. You can find unique and high-quality items that fit your style without breaking the bank. Remember, patience is key. Don't be afraid to wait for the right pieces to come along at the right price. Section 9. Embrace the freedom of a seasonless wardrobe. Building a seasonless wardrobe is about more than just clothes. It's about curating a collection that transcends the limitations of seasonal trends and fast fashion. It's about simplifying your life and embracing a more mindful approach to fashion. By focusing on timeless pieces, you can create a wardrobe that is both functional and stylish all year round. Imagine waking up every morning and effortlessly putting together an outfit you love, no matter the season. This approach not only saves time but also reduces stress, allowing you to start your day with a positive mindset. No more decision fatigue or feeling like you have nothing to wear. A seasonless wardrobe ensures that every piece you own is versatile and can be mixed and matched with ease. A seasonless wardrobe gives you the freedom to express your personal style without being dictated by fleeting trends. It allows you to be creative and confident in your fashion choices. It's about investing in quality pieces that make you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. These pieces are not just clothes. They are an extension of your personality and values. Embrace the journey of creating a wardrobe that reflects your values and brings you joy every day. By choosing pieces that you truly love, you can build a collection that is both sustainable and stylish, making fashion a source of happiness rather than stress.